We hope you enjoyed our show. Okay, while we're getting ready for diplomas, I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming.
Daddy!
And making this such a successful year. Kara, you have been, where's Kara? Kara, you have been an amazing organizer all year. We appreciate all that you've been doing. Thank you, all of you, each and every one of you. We're gonna miss all the class team moms and dads, and children especially. We would like to thank our amazing teachers. Angie, you inspire each of us to be our very best and do it with kindness and